If you're thinking about upgrading your kitchen with a modern appliance that can help you prepare delicious meals while using little to no oil, then you're going to want to pay attention to this intelligent air fryer kitchen accessory electric oven. And if you'd like to get one for yourself after watching, be sure to check the purchase link provided in the description below. The way we cook at home has changed dramatically in recent years. More people are looking for appliances that save time, improve convenience, and help create healthier meals without sacrificing flavor. That's exactly where air fryers have made a huge impact. This intelligent air fryer oven is designed to bring together advanced cooking technology, user-friendly controls, and versatile cooking capabilities in one compact appliance. From the moment you place it on your kitchen countertop, you'll notice its modern design. It has a sleek and stylish appearance that blends easily into almost any kitchen setup. Unlike bulky traditional ovens that take up a large amount of space, this appliance offers a compact footprint while still delivering impressive cooking performance. One of the biggest selling points of this air fryer is its ability to cook food with significantly less oil than traditional frying methods. Deep frying often requires large quantities of oil, which can increase calorie intake and create extra mess in the kitchen. With this intelligent air fryer, hot air rapidly circulates around the food to create a crispy outer texture while maintaining tenderness and flavor inside. This technology allows you to enjoy many of your favorite foods without the excessive oil. Whether you're preparing French fries, chicken wings, fish fillets, vegetables, onion rings, or frozen snacks, the results can be surprisingly satisfying. Foods come out golden, crispy, and flavorful while supporting a healthier lifestyle. Another impressive aspect of this appliance is its intelligent cooking functionality. Many users appreciate kitchen gadgets that simplify meal preparation, and this air fryer does exactly that. The controls are easy to navigate, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced home cooks. You don't need advanced cooking knowledge to achieve excellent results. Cooking performance remains one of the most important factors when choosing an air fryer, and this model delivers where it matters most. The powerful heating system ensures that heat is distributed evenly throughout the cooking chamber. This even circulation helps eliminate uneven cooking and promotes consistent results with every meal. One reason air fryers continue to gain popularity worldwide is their incredible versatility. While many people initially purchase an air fryer to make fries, they quickly discover that these appliances can do much more. This intelligent air fryer can handle a wide variety of dishes, including chicken breasts, steaks, shrimp, vegetables, pizza slices, pastries, and even certain desserts. For busy individuals and families, speed is another major advantage. Traditional ovens often require lengthy preheating times before cooking can even begin. This air fryer heats up quickly and reduces overall cooking times, allowing meals to be prepared faster. Whether you're making lunch, dinner, or a quick snack, the convenience can make a noticeable difference in your daily routine. Temperature control is equally important for achieving great cooking results. This appliance offers flexible settings that allow users to adjust heat levels based on the specific food being prepared. Lower temperatures work well for delicate items, while higher settings can create the crispy finish many people enjoy. The convenience doesn't stop once cooking is complete. Cleaning kitchen appliances can often be frustrating, but this air fryer has been designed with practicality in mind. The removable basket and cooking components are easy to clean, helping reduce post-meal cleanup time. This means less effort spent washing dishes and more time enjoying your food. Energy efficiency is another valuable benefit. Large ovens often consume considerable electricity because they must heat a much larger space. This compact air fryer focuses heat directly around the food, helping maximize efficiency while maintaining excellent cooking performance. Over time, this can contribute to lower energy usage compared to conventional cooking methods. Health-conscious consumers will especially appreciate what this appliance brings to the table. Many people are actively searching for ways to reduce oil consumption without giving up the foods they love. The advanced air circulation technology helps achieve that balance by delivering crispy textures and delicious flavors with minimal oil usage. The build quality also deserves recognition. The appliance feels sturdy and well-constructed, giving confidence that it can withstand frequent daily use. Every component appears thoughtfully designed to enhance the overall user experience, from the cooking basket to the control interface. What truly makes this intelligent air fryer stand out is its combination of convenience, performance, versatility, and health-focused cooking. Instead of purchasing multiple appliances for different cooking tasks, users can rely on this single device for a wide range of meal preparation needs. Whether you're a student living alone, a busy professional, a parent preparing meals for the family, or simply someone who enjoys experimenting in the kitchen, this appliance offers something valuable. Its ease of use, fast cooking times, and healthier cooking approach make it a practical addition to almost any household. As kitchen technology continues to evolve, appliances like this intelligent air fryer are becoming essential tools for modern cooking. They help simplify meal preparation while encouraging healthier eating habits and reducing cooking stress. It's easy to see why air fryers have become one of the fastest-growing kitchen appliance categories in recent years. If you're looking for a smarter way to cook, reduce oil usage, save time, and enjoy consistently delicious meals, this intelligent air fryer kitchen accessory electric oven is definitely worth considering. Be sure to check the link in the description below if you'd like to learn more or add one to your kitchen today.